Well, hi everybody. This is Bryan Diehl, coming to you from the enchanting North Olympic Peninsula village of Port Ludlow, Washington. Thank you for joining me and allowing me to share my photographic work with you today. I hope you enjoy my stills as well as my videos, and I hope you'll come out and visit Port Ludlow because of this. Thanks again for joining me. And for those of you who are unfamiliar with Port Ludlow, this is Ludlow Falls, located right in the heart of downtown Port Ludlow. It's just off the beaten path between North Bay and South Bay. Don't miss this little walk hike through the woods. So Port Ludlow is located right in the center of the Puget Sound sailing world. We are a day's sail from Sequim, Port Angeles, Victoria, the San Juan Islands, downtown Seattle, Pier 66, the South Sound. Anywhere you want to go, you're halfway there, starting from Port Ludlow. So as you can see, we attract some attention. Every so often we get a real yacht through here. It's kind of nice to sit back and watch. Makes us feel like a star. Port Ludlow is also located in the shade of the Olympic mountain range, so we're protected a little bit from the weather that comes from the west, and we're in a little bit of a rain shadow. While you're here, don't miss your chance to walk on down by the inn to Burner Point and the totem pole. There's also a beautiful little beach, south facing, with beautiful white sand right there. Enjoy. I hope when you get here, you get a chance to get out on the water. There's really nothing more pleasant than a sail on Ludlow Bay. Another thing I like about Port Ludlow and its location here on the North Olympic Peninsula is it puts us right close to little towns like Port Gamble, Port Hadlock, and Marrowstone Island. So these photos of the church were taken in historic Port Gamble. These pictures of Mount Rainier are taken from Marrowstone Island. And then this is the Admiralty Inlet, where the shipping lanes are. All of the cruise ships, the container ships, everything that goes in and out of the Puget Sound goes right by Port Ludlow. Now, one of my favorite things to shoot is yard art. And people in Port Ludlow seem to like yard art. So I have some fun with that. Enjoy. This shot is a marketing piece that I used, shot from the Diehl Lake area in South Bay, looking across towards the resort and the marina. And on top it lists golf course, full service marina, resort accommodations, residential communities, community pools, and clubhouses, just to let people know what Port Ludlow has to offer. So these are just a few fun snapshots taken by my wife Piper of my favorite camera, the Phantom 4 Pro by DJI. I've also got a DJI Spark, a DJI Mavic, and a couple of Canon DSLRs, and an Osmo Pocket for the walking gimbal shots. So as I hope you've been able to see, Port Ludlow is paradise for the amateur photographer. I even take my cameras along when I golf. So as the sun sets on my photographic presentation today, again, I'm Bryan Diehl with Coldwell Banker Best Homes out here in Port Ludlow. I hope you'll visit. I hope I'll sell you a house someday. Again, thanks for watching.